Alright, I ordered something through off of Amazon, and it's a diesel heater from Beaver, and it's a diesel heater, and I've seen people using them on YouTube, and I watched a few of them, quite a few. So I went ahead and ordered me one. So it should keep maybe one room warm or the camper warm. So ordered it. We're gonna see how it goes. So we'll go ahead and open it. So that's pretty good. It's got some, it's packed in there pretty good. There's a muffler.
You need this box?
I'm in the intake. No. And it's supposed to run off of a battery and diesel fuel. Yeah, look at there, it's got a little motor control with it. We'll have to get some batteries for that. Got the little exhaust with it. Put that somewhere.
Bring any batteries out here?
No, I didn't bring the batteries. What can I take?
I don't know. Don't see on that.
Oh, triple A's. So what we need to do, we need to open her up and look inside of it. I guess. Well, it should be just ready to go, you know.
All fails.
All fails. I don't see all this on there, do you?
No.
Did it have any of that in there?
Nope.
Well, I didn't see that on there. Yeah, it don't look nothing like that. We might have got the cheaper version. We can go ahead and hook up these wires on the back of it. These are the ones that go to the battery. I'll tell you what, before we hook that up, let's go out there and we might need to find some. We'll go ahead and open this sucker up. So I don't know what that is. That must be a starter and lighter. Well, considering that's a pretty good size tank. I guess this does turn it up and down and lights it. We needed to check inside of it anyway. Make sure none of the hoses are in the way. Well, everything looks alright. We'll put it back together and put some diesel fuel in it. Keep on some kerosene. This is temporary. After we see it's all going to work and all that, then we'll make a better platform for it. But it does. Yeah, it does. We might have to put some more boards up under it. When we get ready, then we'll just lay a few up under it to make it higher. Until we get ready to put it up there in the camper. I just want to make sure it's going to work. Okay. Got that part done. We don't have to hook up the intake, you know, where it's going in for air, because it'll get air. We'll hook up these clamps on it, or it'd be easy to hook to the battery. I need to skin it a little bit further. Yeah. There's the red one. Well, I know it's springtime and all, but these went a little cheaper when it got springtime. Because who needs it during springtime? So when they hadn't got into springtime, when it's warming up, the way we'll have it when it gets cold.
Is that gonna hit anything like that tube or whatever?
It might, I'll move it over. I'll have to readjust it. Right. Now we'll put the wires on. Put this on ground. Red positive. We got that far. And I'm not gonna put this on there yet, because I can just check it right here, see what's blowing out the front of it. I don't think we need to put the cover on it because I don't think it has a safety thing on it, you know, with the cover off. We're just gonna see if it's gonna work. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got the wires hooked up. We got the exhaust on there. We got the door open over there. Yeah, we got the door open. We just gonna see if it's gonna, you know, put out. I'm gonna put the muffler on there. You don't think it'd be too loud, do you?
I don't know.
I don't think it'll be too loud. But we got it on there anyway. Get all this plastic stuff away from it. We'll sit there right there. Okay, well, I had to read the directions on the starting it up with this. We'll check this dial first and see what's going to happen with it. Where you going?
I'm going over here.
Oh,
Don't smell that junk.
oh, I thought you were leaving when it fires up, you know, in case something go wrong. Well, I'm gonna hook up the battery. Okay, that's positive. All right, hook up the negative first. Oh, we hear something. Something clicked. All right, connecting. Please wait. Oh, we ain't got to do all this online. Hurts. Let's see. I bet we gotta go online to where this remote control thing. Yeah, we have to do that a little bit. I thought I might have this little dial thing right here. There it goes. Got a little blue light in there. I thought that might be something to turn it up and down. Well, I hear a fan going. Turn it always that way. That way. When it starts up, it'll blow out the window. $67 right now. $66. Oh, something's trying to start. Here.
Time bomb.
That's supposed to be the pump in it. 66.8, 66.9. It'll definitely have to be outside, won't it? If that was in there while you sleep, you know, thump, thump, thump. I feel like it's picking up, but it's got to get through the pump first. I thought this turns it or something. We'll have to figure the remote control out. 66.9. It's going to take a little bit for the I think you could probably turn it up from this right here too. What's light? You hear light? Oh my God. Yeah, it stinks snowing.
Yes, it does.
Yes. See what's going to do about it too. I guess nothing. I thought this would be your adjuster or something. But it started heating up. I guess I just had the darn thing on the wrong, the exhaust on the wrong thing. But definitely had to get some longer exhaust pipe. Feel how warm that is.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what that is. 75.4. Maybe it'll kick in. Last time I hit the button and it, I just touched it. Now it's doing, ain't it? You hear the exhaust blowing through that thing? That's gonna get hot. I might take that screen out. That is hot. Hope it don't melt that darn screen. But definitely have to tighten, you know, put some implants on it. We'll definitely have to figure out that remote control thing. I don't want to catch that thing on fire. Oh, yeah, that's hot. Yeah, that's hot. Yeah, we're gonna cut that off. Let's see what it is first. My God. Well, it puts out heat. I mean, good heat. It probably had to cool down or something, but there was something blowing out this one. I don't know. Might be dang plastic. But it done good. I don't know. We have to figure out how to do that remote control thing. I think it done good. I think we'll have to get somewhere, you know, outside or something, you know, let it run a while. But I sure don't want to put it on the camper right now and try it outside a while, just let it run and see if we can't. We still got to learn the, you know, the remote control thing, how to set it up. And we'll figure that out after a while whenever we go in. But I believe that'll do good in that camper up there. So it looks like it done good. We just gotta figure some things out and figure this remote control out. And then I'm gonna make sure it does, you know, well, it won't burn the darn camper down, you know, before we put it in it. But I think it done good. And that exhaust, it gets really hot. It was 82. Yeah, I know it's hotter than that too, wasn't it? So, yeah, it started melting that table a little bit. I had to move it off of it. But it's gonna cool down a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna cool down a little bit. But I guess this is what we'll call it a day. You know, I'm gonna go read up on the remote control thing. I got all the wires off the battery, but that's pretty good, you know, running off of a battery and diesel fuel.
When you keep back out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna call it a day, and I'm gonna go in there and read up on it, on this remote control thing, and figure out how to bring it down to about 78 or somewhere like that, or 68. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.